ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमामि विष्णुपादाय राधिकायै प्रियात्मने श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त नारायणेति नामिने। नमामि विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनेति नामिने। नमस्ते गुरुवान् श्रीमूर्तये विष्णुपदाय विष्णुस्वरूपिणे श्रीमद्भक्तिप्रज्ञान केशव इति नामिने। अतेमात्रचरित्राय शासनानुजपालिने जीवदुःखे सदाय श्रीनाम्ने प्रेमदायिने। नमामि विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वतीति नाम्ने। शिवार्षभानुविदयिताय विवादये कृष्णसमन्वयिने ब्रह्मवे नमः। श्रीरूपानुगभक्तिद श्रीगौरपरमशक्ति विग्रहाय नमोस्तुते। नमस्ते गुरुभवानी श्रीमूर्तये गुणकारिणे श्रीरूपानुगसिद्धान्तसरन्तारिणे। नमो गौरकिशोराय साक्षात् वैराग्यमूर्तये विप्रलम्बरसाम्भूति पादाम्बुजयते नमः। भक्तिविनोदाय सच्चिदानन्दप्रिय वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथ वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवते मत्सर्वस्य पदाम्बुजो श्रीराधा दिव्यादविन्दारण कल्पद्रुमाद श्रीमद्रत्नाकर सिंहासनास्तु श्री श्रीराधा शिवगोविन्द स्मरण श्रीमान रासरसारम्भी वंशीवटस्थित अर्चनाभिष्टिगोपिनां ॐ कृष्ण भक्ति विहीना अपराधलक्ष्मी क्षिप्ताश्चकामादि तरङ्गमावनि कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। भजामि राधाम् अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधं मधुरस्मितं वदामि राधं करुणावरद्रं ततो मम श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। कृष्ण वै चतुर्मुख Hare Krishna Sevanamukha ब्रह्मा वै ते नारदेरमसि नारद वै ते व्यास मद कहे व्यास दास पूर्ण प्रग परमाना भगवती हरि माधव भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरा भक्तवृंद हरे गौरांग बलिते नवे उदार शरीरा हरि हरि बोलिते मने
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivitaya Gauri Swapachada Siyadava Samayamadari Atyanta Durlabha Prema Kuri Varindana Shikaye Sharana
Ramanujacharya. Yeah. Okay, sorry, what's something to do?
Sannyastika. Krishna Kirtana.
কৃষ্ণোৎকীর্তন গান নটন প্রভু। হ্যাঁ? কোন জায়গায়?
কৃষ্ণ কীর্তন গান নর্তন করো প্রেমামৃতাম্বোনিধি ধীর ধীর जना প্রিয় প্রিয় করো निर्मात्सरो पूरित हे चैतन्य कृपा भुवि भुवो भारावहं तारको वन्दे रूप सनातनो रघुयो श्रीजीव गोपालो ज्ञानशास्त्र विचारणैकनिपुणो सर्वधर्म संस्थापको लोकानां हितकारिणो त्रिभुवने मानुषरण्य
चलो नित्यानंद त्रयोदशी coming, huh? That is what? 31st.
30. Tomorrow Ekadashi, day after tomorrow is Ekadashi.
So where is that is brother is
Mixed.
India not mixed. Okay. राधे जय जय माधव दयिते राधे
Jaya
गोकुलतारिणी मण्डलमयिते
Kulataruni Mandalamai
राधे हरिणी सुत वृंदाविनी हर वृंदावन जय। Krishna 15:9 हरि कथा। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनं शलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै त्वत्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते भुवेश कविताकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृषभदेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तभक्त्यै नमो। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Okay. So first of all, my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sadguna Bhakti Vedanta Silavananda Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavananda Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satguna Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Brahma Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all kings of Goswami Vishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So we translating the Spanish Chilean.
I did the way everyone can understand.
Today is very super auspicious day because today in our Vaishnava Sampradaya and Srila Ramanujarya's his disappearance day. Yesterday was Srila Madhacharya's disappearance day, and today Sri Sampradaya's Acharya Sri Ramanujarya. Yesterday I told the four Vaishnava Sampradayas, Sri Brahma, Rudra and Sanak Sampradaya. Sampradaya Vihina Mantrasti Vipala Mata Sri Brahma Rudra Sanaka Iti Khiti Pavana. So, four Vaishnava Sampradaya. Yesterday I told Sri Sampradaya's origin Acharya, that is called Lakshmi Devi. Who? Lakshmi Devi. Who is the goddesses of fortune, who gives lot of wealth of money. Lakshmi Devi. Keep for the evening this time no need. Okay. Or in this Kali Yuga, Sri Sampradaya's Acharya, that is called Srila Ramanujarya. Actually, Ramanujarya is the direct incarnation of Lakshman, the younger brother of Ramachandra in Treta Yuga, Lakshman. Now he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Ramanujarya. Rama Anuja Ramanujarya. Ram means the son of Dasarath Maharaj, Ram. His Anuja, his younger brother, that is called Lakshman. So that means in Treta Yuga, Ramchandra's younger brother, Lakshman, he appears in the form of Ramanujarya. And he was born in South India, in Madras. And in Madras there was very nice, famous village that is called Perambur. Perambur. It's called Tamil language. And especially in the month of Chaitra Shukla Panchami, in the month of Chaitra, that is called, in English calendar, that is called end of March and beginning of the month April. And Shukla Panchami Tithi, 5 days from new moon. And his name was called Lakshman Desik. And later his name also called Ramanujarya. When he took sannyas, that time his name is called Ramanujarya. Ramanujarya. His father's name was Asurik Kesavacharya Dikshit, and his mother's name was Kantimati Devi. And Kantimati, she is the younger sister of Sailapurna. And Sailapurna, he was very famous Sri Sampradaya Acharya, that is called Jamun Muni's and prominent disciple. Ramanujarya, he also manifested the commentary on Vedanta Sutra, that is called Sri Bhasya. And all our acharyas, Sri Brahma Rudra Sanak, Sri Brahma Rudra and Sanak, whole Sampradaya acharyas, they also wrote on the commentary of Vedanta Sutra. Sampradaya Acharya. This is very important. So Ramanujarya, when he wrote the commentary on Vedanta Sutra, And that time he also collect one Mayavad philosophy grantha that is called what is the grantha's name? From Buddha Sampradayas. And he got that grantha from Sarada Devi, Ramanuja, Ramanuja, Bodhan Vritti. Bodhayan Vritti, Ramanuja Bodhan Vritti, and this way. Bodhayan Vritti, that belongs to and Saiva Sampradayas. Saiva Sampradaya, understand? Those who worship Lord Shiva, Saiva Sampradaya. There are many Mayavad philosophy in explain this. Because if you write any grantha and cut their philosophy, you must first know their philosophy. Just give an example. If you want to cut the Mayavad philosophy, so you have to know the Mayavad philosophy. Then you can also cut that the Mayavad philosophy where there are faults. This is the process. Right? If you don't know their philosophy, you cannot to cut their philosophy. So for this regard, Ramanujarya, he collect this Bodhana Bhashya, which belongs to Saiva Sampradaya. Which Sampradaya? Saiva Sampradaya. Those are belongs to Shiva. Those who worship Shiva, they are called Saiva. Those who worship to Ganesh, that is called Ganapatta. Those who worship Surya, sun god, they are called Saura. Those who worship Kali, Shiv, Durga, Shakti, that is called and Shakta Sampradayas. Those who worship Vishnu, that is called Vaishnava Sampradaya. Five worshipful deities and five Sampradayas. So Ramanujarya, he wanted to have cut the Mayavad philosophy impartially. So for this regard, he came in one place that is called Sarada temple, and then he found the Saiva Sampradayas Bodhan Bhashya. That is all the Mayavad philosophy there. So Ramanujarya's one very and nearest and dearest disciple, that his name is called Quresh. What is his name? Quresh. And he is very intelligent. And he has so much, what is called Smriti Shakti, memory power. Understand? When Ramanujarya, he took that the grantha, and Ramanujarya, he wrote some notes from the books. Notes, taking some Ramanujarya. That time, that Saiva Sampradayas, that Niko Ramanujarya, he will take these books and cut out the philosophy. And for this regard, they planned to have to kill to Ramanujarya. When Ramanujarya heard this and his servant Quresh, and that time, night time, Ramanujarya, he took that the book, Bodhan was a book, and left that place. And then Saiva Sampradayas, they think where is Ramanujarya, they could not find out. Then anyhow, they came, and on the way, then they took that the book from Ramanujarya. Ramanujarya, he became very upset. I could not write all the notes from this book. But his disciple Quresh, he told Gurudev, don't worry. I also read this book. I memorized everything.
Good memory.
Very sharp memory. And Quraysh, and then Quraysh, he told, Ramanacharya, right. Then anyhow, there are the Saiva Sampradayas. They realize, oh, they also took our book and also try to cut our the philosophy. And for this regard, they are thinking, anyhow, we will kill to Ramanacharya. So for this regard, they make a plan. And anyhow, Ramanacharya came, Ramanacharya, he had to come in our debate place. Debate place, where the people are. To discuss. And anyhow, we will defeat to Ramanacharya, then we will kill. So this is the plan. Quraysh, he realized these things. Then Quraysh, he told his Gurudev, Gurudev, you should not go. I will go. So Quraysh is disguised the form his Guru Ramanacharya. And Quraysh, he came in the place. Quraysh is very intelligent also. And as like second body of Ramanacharya. And Guru and Dev, very strong. So Ramanacharya did not go. Quraysh, he came in the debate place. And actually they also made the plan before. If Ramanacharya will come here, I will first defeat, anyhow defeat, and then kill. This is the plan. So Quraysh, when he came, all they are thinking Quraysh is Ramanacharya. So that time they also discuss about the Saiva philosophy, Mayavad philosophy, these ways. And that time that the king, and in this place king has so much influence with Saiva philosophy. So when they discuss about this thing, the Saiva Sampradayas, they by force, they know you defeat. Understand? When the many people, if you just speak the truth, their people will say, no. What I am saying, this is the truth. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada gave an example, the Bengali verse that is called Das Chakre Bhagwan Bhut. What do you call? Das Chakre Bhagwan Bhut. And if the 10 people are saying the false, or one people is that saying the truth, and people are thinking false is truth. Understand? So for this regard, this proverb is saying, Das Chakre Bhagavan Bhut. Lord will not ghost. But when many people are saying, oh, this is ghost, this is ghost.
When people say Bhagavan is ghost, then he's ghost.
Very nice, beautiful, give an example. There was one king. He has one very near and dearest person, and Pandit. His name is called Bhagavan Das. What is his name? Bhagavan Das. King's very near and dearest person. He is learned and scholar's person. His name is called Bhagavan Das. The Bhagavan Das, he always meets with king, because king has so much love and affection with this Pandit. What is his name? Bhagavan Das. Then king's minister, they noticed, oh, king has so much love and affection with Bhagavan Das. Understand? Always he is coming with king, and king also giving so much respect to him. This is the material world. And if you give the respect, the intelligent person, other foolish person, they become very angry. Envious. Understand? So in the same way, when king, he gave so much respect to Bhagavan Das, because Bhagavan Das is Pandita, and he learned in a scholar. Eh?
Bhagavan Das.
Bhagavan Das, he was very pandit, a learned scholar. For this regard, king, he gives respect to Bhagavan Das. And Bhagavan Das every day he is coming and meet with king. So the others ministers, they are very envious. King is not giving so much respect to us, he is giving to respect to Bhagavan Das. For this regard, all the ministers, they made one plan. Anyhow, Bhagavan Das, he will not come in front of king. Understand? They made this plan. So, one day Bhagavan Das, he came and tried to meet with king. Then all the ministers, they told to the security guard, give some bribes to the security guard. When Bhagavan Das will come, to tell, the king is very sick. So he cannot meet. Or saying, oh, king is very busy, king ordered to me, today he will not meet with anyone. Understand? So Bhagavan Das, when he came, and the security guard, he told, the king ordered to me, no one meet with him. And one day he is saying he is busy, another day he is sick. But king asked his ministers, hey, ministers, why my Pandita, Bhagavan Das is not coming? Why Bhagavan Das is not coming? The minister, he told opposite way. Ministers, they told, oh, Bhagavan Das, he is very sick. 3-4 days, his maybe some, his, what is called? Fever, influenza, no? Caught cold him. So for this regard, he is not coming. Then king said, oh, he is my... So king himself sent one doctor to Bhagavan Das. And then minister gave some bribes to the doctor. Doctor came and to Bhagavan Das. Understand? Doctor just checking. Well, why you are checking to me, Bhagavan Das? Yeah, we heard you are sick. Then Bhagavan Das, no, I am not sick. My body is good, health. And I heard king is sick. Opposite way. Then doctor, no, you stay here. Then when doctor came to king and report to the king, oh, Bhagavan Das is very, very serious. Serious disease. Then king become very upset. Again he said, another doctor. And minister, they also gave lot of money to the doctor. Any doctor coming, then give the bribes. And all doctors are giving the report to king. Oh, Bhagavan Das, he is very sick. Then king is thinking, I have to meet with him. No, king, don't go with...
Contagious.
It's
very contagious disease.
If you go, maybe you will be sick. Then in this way, maybe 10-15 days, king could not meet with Bhagavan Das, or Bhagavan Das, he could not meet with king. Then after 10-15 days, doctor give report to king. Bhagavan Das, he died. He died. You understand? Bhagavan Das, he died. Then king become very upset. Understand? King sent his many persons, those who are coming, and minister giving so much bribes. Then king is thinking what he will do. And according to the Indian Vedic culture, if anybody dies, you have to perform ritual ceremony. And the king himself perform this ritual ceremony, this. Or here Bhagwan Das so much eager to meet with king. Understand? One day, Bhagwan Das, he climbed on the top of the branch of the tree. Understand? He's thinking, anyhow, I will take darshan to king. Where is he? So, one day king, he was going on the road and with his ministers and all his associates, entourage. Then Bhagwan Das, he climbed on top of the trees and loudly told, "Hey king, I am Bhagwan Das, I am here." Loudly he saying. That's what minister told. Hey king, look, Bhagwan Das, he died, now he become ghost. We should leave this place, otherwise ghost will attack to us. Then Bhagwan Das died and he ghost. Yes. So for this regard, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he quoted this verse, Das Chakre Bhagavan Bhut. If 10 people is saying God is ghost, then everybody say he is ghost. Bhagavan is, Lord is not ghost. Bhagwan Das, he did not die. But 10 people, all his ministers, just propaganda and making this plain. King also believe Bhagwan Das is ghost. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Very nice, beautiful, this story. You read Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada and the nectar of instruction, Upakhan Upadis also. Das Chakre Bhagavan Bhut. So now coming in this way, Ramanuj, what is called? In the assembly house of Saiva, Ramanujar's disciple, Kuresh, he gave the perfect answer of their question. But that the Mayavadi Saiva Sampradaya, oh no, this is fault, this is fault. Understand this? If you speak the truth, and some people they also say, no, this is not perfect, this is understand? Then Kuresh discuss this, they also, they discuss this thing. We worship Lord Shiva. Shiva is the great. Then Kureshi told, no, Vishnu is the supreme personality of God, is Chan Bhagavan. Shivji is the servant of Vishnu. Understand? But the Shiva told, no, Shiva is there. That time they told Shiva Linga, those who worship Shiva, they worship to Shiva Linga. Actually, Shiva Linga, that is called the person. Why Lord Shiva manifested in the form of Lingam. Lingam means a chinna, sign. The sign of universe. That is called Shiva Lingam. And even in also Shiv Puran also explained. And Shiva Lingam. Lingam, that means the chinna. Chinna means sign. Lord, that is called in the form of Shiva Lingam. So for this regard, Shastra saying, and you worship to Shiva Lingam. Understand? And that time they discussed these things. Then Kureshi told, if Shiva Lingam is Bhagavan, why the crow sitting on the and in the Shiva Lingam and also stooling? This katha you are saying this. And that time they become very angry. Saiva Sampradaya become very angry. Because when they discuss about the debate, actually they are not speaking the main Subject. They are going to the other subject, other subject, other subject. Understand? Then when Quraishi told this that time all the Saivas, they told the king, yes, Suresh, he insult our Ishtadev Shiva Lingam. So you have to give punishment to him. And our king, he is very foolish. He does not know any philosophy, no Vaishnava philosophy, no Saiva philosophy, nothing. King is called his what? Foolish. Understand? Once one person, I tell you, who is called foolish, very nice, beautiful katha. One person, he is walking. And in the one place in desert place, there is no water, nothing. And that person, he become very thirst. And he want to drink water. Then he came one place, one young lady. He is bringing some water on his pitcher. That time, that person who is the, what is called? Thirsty. What is called? Pathik. Pathik means who is walking, travelers. And traveler, he asked to the young lady, could you give some water to me? I want to drink. That time, young lady, she told, and who are you? First, you give your identity. Who are you? And that time, he told, I am traveler. What is saying? I am traveler. I am traveling. Pathik. What is called? Pathik. Sanskrit word, that is called Pathik. Traveler. Pathika. Pathik means traveler. Those who are traveling. One place. That time, that young lady, she told, no, you are not traveler. Two travelers in this world. One is called sun and moon. And sun and moon, look, always is what? Traveling. Sun rises, sunset, moon rises, moon sets. So how possible you would travel? Then another question. And then okay, many questions is there. Then he told. Then he told, I am foolish. No, you are not foolish. Foolish two persons. One is called king, another is called the Panditas, those who are working in the assembly house of king. You understand? There two are foolish. Why? But king is not doing anything. What the people saying, he is thinking this is true. You understand? King is not going to the field. And if anybody is saying, is listening, or this is true. As like Ravana. Ravana is the king of Lanka. His sister Surpanakha, she told many bad things to Ramchandra. Then Ravan believed. This is true or wrong? If you Ramayan, you can see this. So Ravan is foolish also. So king is always foolish. King is not going to the field. And this is true or not? And so for this the young lady, she told, in this material fool, who is foolish? King. And another who is foolish? Panditas, scholars person. Which scholars person? Those who are working in the king place and assembly house of the king. Well, why? Because if anybody give bribes to him, he's saying this is the truth. They are not saying the perfect meaning of the Shastra. You understand? Eh? Those who are working in the assembly, those Panditas, not all Panditas, those Panditas working in the palace of king, they are called foolish. Why? They are not speaking the perfect meaning of the Shastra. You understand this? For this regard, they are called foolish also. And understand? And if you give money, okay, this is the meaning of the Shastra, and they will explain this. They will not tell the perfect meaning of Shastra. So for this regard, Sikh told. And when this person is told, yeah, I am foolish, but you are not foolish. Only foolish king and Pandit, those who are working in the king. So now coming in this way. So when Quresh, he told the perfect meaning of the Shastra and Shiva Tattva. That time the Panditas, they become very angry. And they told, oh, give punishment to him. Well, what punishment? Take out his eyes. And take out his two eyes. Then king is also foolish, already I told. But what the Pandita is saying, oh, this is true. So they took out his eyes. And now Quresh completely what? Blind. And now Quresh have to go. Anyhow, Quresh, he met with his guru Ramanujarya. Then Ramanujarya give mercy. Then he returned back his transcendental eyes. That is called Dibba Chakshu. That is called Dibba Chakshu. Transcendental eyes. Then Ramanujarya, he told, so how will I to what is called? Defeat the Mayavad philosophy without this book. But that book already they took. This is from Ramanujarya. Then Quresh, he told Gurudev, don't worry. I read all these books. Badhyan Bhasya. What book name? Badhyan Bhasya. Yeah. So I remember. And then Quresh, he told all the Badhyan Bhasya from the Saiva Sampradayas, and Ramanujarya, Badhyan Vritti. And then he wrote again. So in this way, Quresh, he served his Gurudev. As like in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, when he preached against the Sahajiya Sokhi Bheki and Babaji Sampradayas, they become very angry. Because if you speak the absolute truth, then everybody will become angry or not. You try to understand. So yesterday I told, you have to learn Shastra, Tattva, Siddhanta. And if you have no knowledge about Tattva, Siddhanta, what will speak? So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he boldly preached against and 13 Apasampradayas. You understand? Who are the 13 Apasampradayas? Aul, Baul, Karta Bhaja, Neda, Das Gosai, Gauranga Nagari, Sahajiya Sokhi Bheki. First, Sahajiya Sokhi Bheki. Aul, Baul, Karta Bhaja. Sahajiya Sokhi Bheki. Smarta Gosai. तोता बोले एक तेरर कबू संग नहीं करी. And one devotee, his name is disguised name is called Totapuri. Understand? As I Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave his disguised name, that is called what is Bhaktivinoda Thakur disguised name? Chaddanam. Just I forget. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also one disguised name. You remember or not? No. Okay, later I will tell. That's it. So, Bhaktivinoda, just I also explained here, when Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he preached against the 13th upper sampradayas. 13, 1-3. 13th upper sampradayas. And Sahajya, Sokhi, Beki, Aul, Baul, Karta, Bhaja, Sahajya, Smarta, Go, Jad Gosai. And those who are saying only Brahman son will become Brahmana. And Brahman son has no Brahmanical qualification. How will he become Brahmana? Doctor son will become doctor or not? Hala. I don't know. If he has no doctor certificate, how possible he will say he is doctor? Understand? And he does not know about knowledge of medicine. But he is son of doctor. So how possible he is doctor? In the same way, Brahman son has no Brahmanical qualification. So how possible he will become Brahmana? They say, need this or not? No. Important these things. But this Smarta Brahmana, they think, Brahman son will become Brahmana. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he preached against these types of philosophy. Who is called a Brahmana? Brahma Janati Jasiti Brahmana. Who knows about Brahma Nama Brahma? He is called a Brahmana. Janmana Jayate Sudra Sanskara Dijauchate Vedat Pathe Bhaved Vipra. Brahma Janati Saiti Brahmana. Janmana Jayate Sudra. One who takes birth from the womb of mother. That is called, everybody is called Sudra. Janmana Jayate Sudra. Sanskar Dija Uchate. When he received mantra from Guru, Gayatri mantra from Guru, he is called Janmana Jayate Sanskar Dija Uchate. He is called Dija. Dija means second birth. Yesterday I told. First birth, that is called semen birth. Every living entity's first birth is called semen birth. That is Sanskrit word that is called Shokra Janma. What is called? Shokra Janma. Semen birth. This body is coming from our parents. For this regard, this body is called Shokra Janma. Semen birth. Second birth, that is called when he received Gayatri mantra from Guru. That is called second birth. That is called Dija. Dija. Dija means two words. Dija means two. Ja means birth. Second birth is what? When we receive Diksham, Gayatri mantra from Guru, that is called Gayatri Janma. Savitri Janma. What is called? Savitri Janma. Gayatri mantra when we receive. Our third birth, when we receive Diksha from Guru, that Sanskrit word that is called Daiksha Janma. What is it called? Daiksha Janma. When you receive Guru mantra, Gayatri mantra, Gopal mantra, that is called Diksha. Dibba Jnananjato Dattat Kurjat Papa Sanskayam. Tasmat Pravati And
Basic faith.
so this is called the Diksha. Dibbagyan. Dibbagyanam jato daddat urjat papa sankhya. When you receive Diksha mantra from him, all your sin will be destroyed from your heart. And simultaneously, all your Dibbagyan, transcendental knowledge, manifest in your heart. That is called Diksha. But this Diksha is not complete one day. Step by step, step by step. And as I give an example, if you admitted in the school, that time you are called student. Understand? Vidyarthi, student. But what kinds of students? Primary school students, then high school students, university students, master degree students. All name are students, but all students are not same level, same categories. In the same way, Diksha, Dibbagyan, taking Diksha, different stages also there. And your Diksha initiation will be complete in the stage of Bhavadasha. Stage 8 stages coming. Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthamritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav. When sadhak will come in the stage of Bhavadasha, then his Diksha complete. And Vishnurat, he is not speaking. And also taking one Jopamala and putting on his holding on his neck. Also he is student. Understand? He is Vaishnava also. You are Vaishnava or not? Vaishnava Das. Okay. So in the same way. So now coming in this way, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he discussed these things. And he spoke against the 13th Upasampradayas. Sahajiya, Sokhi, Beki, Aul, Baul, Karta, Bhaja, Neda, Jad, Gosai, Gaurang, Nagari, तोता बोले यही संप्रदाय कभू संग नहीं करे. So when Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada preached against the Aul Baul Karta Bhaja and especially Smartha Brahmanas, they become very angry. For this regard, all the Upasampradayas, they want and meet together and they planned how to kill to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. And especially Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he did Navadvip Dham Parikrama with his many followers, pilgrims. That time Smartha Brahmana and Sahaji Asukhi, they planned to kill to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. And Prabhupada is going and behind his disciples. But the Smartha Brahmanas and antagonistic party, they throw the soda bottle, you know soda?
No, soda?
Soda caustic.
Oh, okay.
And throw it. And to this. Because this soda is coming in your eyes, you will become blind. You are throwing in this way.
It burned everything.
Yeah. And throw the stone and then all the people, all they ran away here and there. Because thousand people running, who is going, who is there. That time only Vinod Vihari Brahmacharya Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. Our Param Gurudev, Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. That time his name, Brahmachari's name, Vinod Vihari Brahmachari. Vinod Vihari Brahmachari's form are Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada form look like same. Very beautiful. As like twins and brother. Understand? When Bhakti, what is Vinod Vihari Brahmachari young and Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, You can see the two picture. You can see both are look like twins. Then all the disciples, they ran away here and there. That time only Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, he was staying with Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Prabhupada. And then Vinod Bihari Brahmachari told Gurudev to come in one place. That time came one village house. And Vinod Bihari Brahmachari and Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. But there the Smartha Brahmana Sahaja, they completely surrounded that house. They tried to kill to Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Prabhupada. They become very aggressive. That time Vinod Bihari Brahmachari told to Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, Prabhupada, give your sannyas dress to me. Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, that time he is sannyasi. That time he is white cloth. Understand? That time he told, they will also kill to you. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he told. Then Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, very humble, told Gurudev, don't worry. I am as like small and if I will die, what happened? Nothing. But if you alive in this material world and you will preach the Suddha Bhakti, one day this antagonistic party, they will realize and what is the meaning of Suddha Bhakti. One day they will give up all this Sahaja, Soki, Vekis, understand? Then Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he also gave his sannyas dress to Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. Then when you come out, in the meantime, police and others, security guard, all they came and also solved this problem. Understand? In this way, Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, he also saved the life of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. So for this regard, this example is giving as like Quresh. Quresh, the disciple of Ramanujarya. He saved the life of Ramanujarya. In the same way, Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, he saved the life of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. When Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj, he told this story. Then Nanak Goswami Maharaj, Gurudev was crying and crying. How Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. If you know what is called loyalty, understand? Actually, you are not perfect disciple. Disciple, everybody is a disciple. Go, I am disciple. Sisya. But when you deeply analyze who is called the real disciple, and one who completely, absolutely sacrifice life for his Guru. Loyalty need. Loyalty not nothing. And what you do? And taking Diksha Harinam from Guru, this is not enough. Enough is how to sacrifice life to lotus feet of Guru Pad. And understand? When Srila Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj glorified his Guru Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, means Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. They were crying and crying. They, my Gurudev, how to sacrifice for his Guru. Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki. For these are all the disciples of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. They also give respect to Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. Here you know his teach here there. And picture is there. Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Goswami Maharaj. In the libro, what is the book? Yeah.
Vai mais tarde. Eu pego o Bhagavad Gita, essa livro. Não, o Bhagavad Gita. Essa é o Bhagavad Gita.
No. No,
The Bhagavad Gita? No?
only for Topar and Gurudev.
Sai che è quelle di
Ah, ma devi scansare thanks.
Papa.
हाँ, you can see the Keshav Goswami Maharaj. है? Yes. So today Ramanujarya's disappearance day, and we also glorified Ramanujarya's disciple Kuresh. Balavrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Okay, evening also we'll discuss more. Ramanujarya Lali, very important. The Vinod Bihari, you look this. जैसे भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद and his disciple Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, his brahmachari's name called Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. बोले श्री गुरुदेव परम गुरुदेव की जय, विनोद बिहारी ब्रह्मचारी की जय श्री राम.
What about the crow in the Shiva Linga? I didn't understand.
Okay.
The crow in the Shiva Linga? What is it? The crow in the Shiva Linga. Did you explain?
Actually, this Katha is when they discussed with Kuresh about Shiv Tattva. That time, they are not speaking about Shiva Tattva, because they are planning how to kill to Kuresh. So they are thinking this way, and they are saying, is Bhagavan and is Bhagavan, and they are saying Shiv is Bhagavan. Okay, that Shiv is what Bhagavan? Kuresh is told it was Shivak Bhagavan. But Saiva Sampradaya, and Shivji is Sang Bhagavan. So these are the discussion, these things. And that time they also, Shivji manifest in the form of Shiva Lingam. Then Kuresh also explained why Shivji is making that, why Shivji he manifests the Shiva Lingam. That is Shiva Lingam, that is the significance of universe and Brahmanda. Shiva Linga, actually that is called the universe of, a symbol of universe. You know, it is universe. Understand? This way. That time they also discuss, actually not they discuss this thing. Then they discuss this thing. Oh, your Bhagavan and Vishnu is Bhagavan. And so they also criticize to Vishnu. And the Vishnu, how possible Vishnu is Bhagavan? And Vishnu, and he do these things. They discuss on bad things. Then Kureshi told, or your Shivji also same. Understand? Shivji, how possible he is Bhagavan? That time they discuss the actual, not the main subject. And that time he told the Shiva Lingam, where the Shiva Lingam is staying, similarly outside, there is no any shade. Understand? That time they told, your Vishnu, he is saying there. They criticize to Vishnu many things also.
Just arguments.
Arguments in it. That time Kureshi just he told, your also Shiva Linga is there. Sometimes also crow, stooling. Understand? These are. That time they told, oh, you criticize our Shivji.
Well, then excuse.
Actually, they want to know to this how to kill to them.
Just excuse.
That time they told, oh, king, he criticized to Shivji. So we have to give punishment. Good, Preman.